Well, it's Friday afternoon. Finished my last session today, my work day, and you might notice if you're sitting in front of your computer at this time, there's no long form video for Travels with Dottie, and that's because I use this new camera, the one I'm using now, to shoot about an hour-long video driving into Cimarron. And I got a couple complaints on the first one. You didn't export it at a high enough resolution, so I went to export it, and it ran all night, and it got stuck. Then I restarted it at a lower resolution, and it's been running since this morning, and now it's only 75%. So that's why it's late. It probably won't be released until tomorrow. So I'm going to lose a day. I'm going to have a whole day without a long form video. And I'm curious to see how this moving around is going to affect this footage.
Well, Sunday morning we'll get up early and eat breakfast.
Hi.
How we doing today?
Pretty good. Come on, Dottie.
Trying to tie you up.
Yeah. Come on, Dottie. All right.
Okay.
So
You can look.
Yeah.
I have no idea how this is going to work,
Well, let's,
but it's not stopping me from trying.
I appreciate you. My other leg for the whole thing.
One thing I don't like about it is when I'm walking Dottie, I've got to hold the camera and the camera and the leash. It's not that much fun. It's a little awkward. You can see there's a lot of clouds surrounding us, but we got all kinds of sunshine here in the valley, which is nice. And I would say it's about 75 degrees.
I hope I looked at that quarter.
Oh, the office is open. We'll check in there. See if we have any packages. It's open. What are you looking for, Dottie? What are you looking for? I was just checking to see if I had any.
No bit of mail today.
Who are you looking for, Dottie?
Dottie. See you here on that. You silly. You silly dog. You silly. How was your day? How was your day? I get her a treat. She can't come in. So.
Yeah, it's okay. She's been patient with Dad working all day. Where are you going, Dottie?
We got treats for you. You're licking your lips. She's just licking her lips. So you put your arm on them. She says, oh, yes. Oh, I like those. Go, go. Easy. Easy, nice and easy. Oh, you're hungry. Man, been like that.
Yeah, it's almost dinner time, isn't it, Dottie? Come on. Yeah. Oh, I told you I bought a carrot cake, right? A whole carrot cake.
Make us together.
All right, Dottie, let's go. Hey, Dee Dee dog. Dee, what are you doing?
Camera? Or what?
Yeah, it's a 360-degree camera I'm experimenting with.
Okay.
Come on, Dottie, one of you. Come on.
Take care.
Yep. You had another tent camper out there I didn't notice before. Hey. Come on. Said it was 75. It feels by this time, my black t-shirt on, it feels more like 80. I'm going to be glad to get back in the shade. How about you, Dottie? Looks like you're panting. You're going to want some water. Why get up in there? Well, that's going to be it. That is today's video, a walk with Dottie.